Well, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is another episode of just basically business baddies. I don't know what I'm going to call it. It'll be a series eventually, but I'll be showing you guys how to create your business card on Canva same day, or at least by tomorrow morning. Right now it is 2:35, so I'm going to hop on the computer, show you guys a screen recording, and from there, yeah, response to my TikTok of me creating it to ago. So this idea is just me getting into a little bit more detail on how, and I also want to create a different business card for myself right now. So yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so here we are at the I'm actually on my computer, so this is Canva on my desktop. And as you can see, there is plenty of templates that you can pick from. You don't have to have your business card, already done in order to be able to edit or whatever. You can just take one of these templates and you'll be able to just edit in your information. Now, I do have Canva Pro, so just a heads up, some of the templates that will be on the screen probably won't be available if you just have the free version. I always recommend doing the subscription just because it is there's plenty of different designs and templates, especially as a content creator and a business owner. So here we are. We picked this beautiful 3D art kind of business card template. I really like that it pops out. You always want to have a business card that literally will catch somebody's eye, or it kind of has certain details that you don't see on other business cards too. So one thing about the Canva Pro as well is that they will allow you to have a lot of different elements, stickers, lettering. So that is a plus when you do have a subscription. So here I am trying to place the letters within the box. That comes in handy for later when we are actually going onto the Staples website and we are plugging in the template. So we want to make sure that everything gets printed that should be on the card, and just that box, keep as a reminder that you should be within that box. So here is a trick that I did learn. When you highlight all of the elements or the letters, you can group them. So just so you know, there's an ungroup and a group session when it comes to being able to move all of your template pieces together all at once. And you can always lock it and unlock it. So here's the front of the card. The front of the card is going to have the information that's going to, be pertaining to your business. So I'm just kind of plugging and playing. I did go back and try to copy the lashes so I can put it on the other side of the card too. So that's a cool little quick trip. Okay, guys, so I didn't put my full phone number on there because I'm, of course, online. So here is our finished card. The back and the front, they're all done. We're going to download it and just have it as a PDF standard. I wouldn't recommend any of the other ones just because I have not used them when it comes to putting the download into Staples. So you'll go to your nearest Staples, basically. I was able to look mine up. I'm going to put one right next to my business, my studio. So you want to type in business cards. You're going to find the selection for them. It should have same day availability next to it. So sometimes if you place it at a certain time before 4 o'clock, I believe it is, you'll be able to pick it up same day. So this order was ready for me to pick up at 7:15 p.m. So you also have different options. Of course, our business template that we created was horizontal, so we'll have it on the landscaping option. And then we're going to do front and back. If you do want to have a different finishing, you can. This is the font. I'm going to leave it at the standard. And then you can do either matte or gloss. I like gloss. I want my cards to look shiny. I want them to look pretty, especially with that 3D print lettering on the card. I want it to look nice. So they have raised the price. It used to be $14.99. Now it is, after taxes and everything, $31. So just a heads up, if you did come from TikTok, the price is a little bit higher now. So we upload our template into the Staples website. As you can see, that dotted line where it says safe area, you want to make sure everything that you want in that area is going to be, make sure it's printed. So make sure you're reading all of the little pop-ups that they have there that's there to help you. So we also want to make sure that we're uploading the back and the front. So you'll have to do it double, upload it twice. As you see at the bottom, it says front and back right under the card there. So you see how the letters are kind of out of the safe area. You want to make sure that they are in the safe area, because if it's not within the safe area, then all your information will not get printed, and we don't want that. Okay, now that our design is safely into the template, we are going to go ahead and check out. So we are at the checkout and everything looks good. One thing I do like about Staples is you do not have to pay immediately. You can still do the pickup same day, but you could pay when you get there. So I just wanted to throw that out there as a little pointer there. So business cards look great. We got our standard 4-pin print, gloss, 250 for $27.99. And we're going to start pickup. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much, you just make sure you pick the right location and you will have your business cards. Well, that wraps up this video, guys. I hope you guys were able to take everything you need from this video. Let me know if you have any questions, comment below. Again, I'll try to keep posting some of these Boss Babe kind of videos, and I hope this was helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.